Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to use Blockli to create dynamic cards in your Buddyboss app. We'll dynamically add a card to a Buddyboss app page to highlight new members in your community. Welcoming new members to your Buddyboss community is crucial to the success of your community. Studies show that when new community members are well received, they are more likely to stay and carry that culture of hospitality as they remain in your community. A community that empowers its members to take action will thrive and see a lot of engagement. And engagement is the lifeline of any thriving online community. So to do this, you need the Buddyboss app, Blockli, and Uncanny Automator or Automator WP. I happen to use Uncanny in this tutorial. We'll be using Blockli graphic cards in this demonstration. We'll start by creating a category for the Blockli graphic card set. I will name this category of cards Newbies. Next, head on to Uncanny Automator, create a new recipe and choose Buddyboss in the triggers. Select User Activates Account for the first trigger. Because we need the profile photo of the new user on the card, we will add a second condition that the user must update their avatar. That way, we wouldn't have a bunch of cards with the mystery man image that Buddyboss inserts into empty profile photos. For the action, select WordPress and choose Create a Post. Select Blockli graphic card. Next, we'll map the tokens from the trigger to the Blockli graphic card fields. For the card title, I will use the token first name. You can also choose the username or whatever you prefer. Scroll down to the meta section and map the card fields using Blockli card meta keys. We have taken care to make it easy to remember. I have included a link to the list of all Blockli fields and their meta keys in the description below. Map the card's background image to the avatar URL token. We will map the profile type token to the Blockli graphic card subtext field. Let's set the deep link URL to the member's profile link. We will construct the Buddyboss members profile link on the fly. To do this, type your site's URL address followed by a /, then members, another /, then drop the username token. This will dynamically concatenate the strings into the user's profile link and map it into the Blockli deep link field. And lastly, I will add a 5-second delay to this action. I always add a delay to all my automations because WordPress uses cron jobs. Sometimes when triggers and actions run all at once, all the code working behind the scenes can twine into a spaghetti code and you start seeing unexpected behaviors. So it is best to give these steps some breathing room between each other. At the time of this video, neither Uncanny Automator nor Automator WP provides the option to add category or taxonomy to a post in the post creation action. Because we need to filter the cards in the newbies category in the block on the app page, we need to apply the category we created earlier to these cards. So we will create a second recipe to listen for when a Blockli graphic card is created and then assign the category newbie to the post. So create another recipe, choose WordPress, and select when a user publishes a type of post with a taxonomy term as the trigger. For the action, choose Add a taxonomy term to a post of any type. Select Blockli graphic card. In the post fields, choose Custom Method. The reason for selecting Custom Method is to dynamically pass the post ID that triggered the automation instead of selecting a post name because the post does not exist until it is created. Insert the post ID token in this field. For the taxonomy, choose the graphic card category and in the taxonomy term, select the newbie category we just created. And by the way, we've reached out to both Uncanny and Automator WP developers and they will be adding the capability to add a category to a post in the same action so that we wouldn't need the second recipe. Save your recipe or automation, go back to your app page, drag and drop a Blockli graphic card to your app page and give the block a title. In the block settings, I will filter the cards on this block by category and select the newbies category. Now, every time a new user activates their account and updates their avatar, Uncanny will create a Blockli card and Blockli will dynamically add that card to your Buddyboss app page. Members can then click on the card to go to the user's profile to send them a private welcome message or post a message in their timeline. I hope you can now begin to see the power of Blockli. For more tips and tutorials on how to get the best out of your Buddyboss app using Blockli and other WordPress tools, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, visit blockli.dev and grab your license now and start building awesome features in your Buddyboss app with zero code. Our introductory promo price is ending very soon, so don't miss the window. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Buddyboss app tutorial.